If you want to give Google Chrome a cleaner look and make browsing easier on the eyes, today I'm going to show you how to use Dark Theme in Chrome step by step. This is a simple change, but it can make a big difference, especially if you spend a lot of time online, work late at night, or just prefer a more modern look for your browser. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome from your desktop, taskbar, or Start menu. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser where you'll see the three-dot menu. Click those three dots to open the main Chrome menu. From there, hover over or click on Extensions, and then choose Visit Chrome Web Store. This is where Chrome themes and add-ons are available, and it's the place you'll use to find a dark theme. Now that you're in the Chrome Web Store, go to the search bar and type in Dark Theme, then press Enter to see the results. You'll notice there are multiple dark styles, different designs, and various theme options to choose from. Some may be very simple and minimal, while others may have more visual detail. Take a moment to browse through the options and pick the one that looks best to you. Once you find a theme you like, click on it to open the theme page. On that page, you'll see a button that says Add to Chrome. Click that button and Chrome will install the theme for you. In most cases, the change happens instantly, so as soon as it's added, your browser should switch over to the new dark look right away. If prompted, just confirm the installation and let Chrome apply the theme. After that, your Chrome browser will now be using Dark Theme, giving it a darker interface and a more comfortable appearance. This is especially helpful for reducing brightness and making the browser feel easier to use in low light settings. If you ever want to switch themes again, you can always come back to the Chrome Web Store and try a different one, or remove the theme from your Chrome settings later. So that's the full process for using Dark Theme in Chrome. It only takes a minute, and once you do it, your browser will look much cleaner and easier on the eyes. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.